Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to remove any model on Ollama locally. For that let us go to start and type cmd, open it. Now let me type the command Ollama and find all the commands here easily. First I'll list all the models on the system. Ollama space list, Ollama space list and press enter. Here are the two models we installed, Mistral AI and Llama 3.2. The first is by Mistral AI and the second one is by Meta. Now what I'll do, I need to remove it. Okay, so use the rm command. Ollama space rm and mention the name of the model. Let's say I'll mention Mistral. I'll mention Mistral and here is the name. So you need to just type Mistral and press enter. If you will type Llama, you need to also mention the parameter. That means in this case the name is Llama 3.2. Okay, so let me uninstall it. Okay, Ollama space rm space Llama 3.2 deleted. Okay, now if you'll check Llama list again, you can see only one of them is visible. Here it is, Mistral is visible because we just deleted Llama 3.2. So guys, in this way you can easily remove any model with Ollama. Thank you for watching the video.